Welcome back, Destination Modified. So it's not a video on the 350 this time, it's on the works vehicle, you know, just the M4 and that. So we've done a bit of a, just the usual actually, just a bit of an impulse buy really, again, as always. I decided to go for a different type of suspension setup from most folk on these. So it's a bit controversial, some folk will like it, some folk will hate it, because you know, M car, but I don't really care, it's my car. So, to be fair though, if I don't like it, I'll just change it. But so we've decided to go for, well I've decided, I don't know why I said we, I've decided to go for Airlift with 3P management. I didn't buy it brand new, because like I'm saying, it might be a thing that only lasts a few months, or it might be a thing that lasts a good while, but I wouldn't want to spend the full amount on it. So I got a really good price off a lad on one of the forums. So that's where we're at. It's really good condition. I think it was only on the guy's car for a couple of years, something, not many miles on it anyway. So I think what we'll do is we'll do a video on installing it all, obviously. We'll get all the wiring and everything in. Lucky enough, everything's in the back, batteries there, fuse boxes there, so we should be able to wire it in pretty simple. And then it's just a case, we'll do that first and then we'll install the bags, the struts and everything, and plumb it all in, and then test it. Hopefully it works, because if not, what a waste. Anyway, catch you at the end. We'll probably do like a couple of kind of snippets of it all being done in the progress, but catch you at the end. Enjoy.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road.
So as you'll be able to see, we've now installed been installing the air ride. It's almost finished. We've just literally finished doing the back end and running all the air lines from the front to the back and from the back into the boot. It's all wired in. It's literally a case now of putting it down, starting the car up, starting up obviously the compressors and everything, filling the tanks, and then calibrating all the air ride. Then we'll do like a couple of runs in the car, get it to kind of settle down a wee bit, set up what I'll want is like the right height, and then I'll align it to that height, and then obviously I'll work out how low, whatever, if we can air out or not, or what we need to do to get it so it's down here. Anyway, good thing of this is it's obviously got all under trays everywhere, so the airlines everything have been fully tucked, hidden, you can't see anything, so it's like a really clean setup. It's actually been not bad to do, to be fair, it's just time consuming because everything's got to come off. Aye.
Still need to put the tanks in or not?
Oh, aye.
They're over there.
I should do that. But there's a couple of lines for them, go from them into the car, and then that's like the last bit. Like that's just like the water trap and obviously the compressors into the into the tank, and then we're cushy. We should be all
Sweet.
good to go. Everything else is all done, so
Better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. 'Cause
So, this is a finished article, as you can see. I've done all the presets for the ride height, but I can't remember what the pressures and that are. I'm not going to even bore you with it all. But it's all done, and I've set it at 0 around. So I'm changing the wheels, don't know what to yet, but obviously I'll probably have to fine tweak wee bits here and there for it to sit flush with the arch and what have you. It's not going to be like a proper fitment thing, because just the what ruin arches really. But anyway, I'm over the moon with it, to be honest. I didn't think it would actually look as good as it does, especially on standard wheels. So I've not mounted the controller yet. Come with itself. So the controller, Jesus, what have you done here? The wire's just everywhere. Need to mount it somewhere. Need to run this wire underneath the dash trims, and I was going to put it where the kind of cup holders are. I was going to get Sam Sprints in it. Big Sam. Going to get him to make up a thing with his 3D printer, but then I'll have no cup holders, so I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. I might get him still to make us something just somewhere on the dash somewhere. I don't want to drill into the dash and stuff like that, because what's the point? I don't really want to put a sticky pad on, because it'll never come off if I take it off. So aye, any ideas, let us know. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you want to continue seeing the build on the M4 and all the other cars, do subscribe, and obviously like, comment on the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay jolly.
Stay jolly.